What are the things you should ask a family lawyer at your initial meeting with the lawyer? Hi, my name is Thomas O'Malley. I'm an experienced family lawyer in Durham region and the GTA. So let's look at the top 7 things you ask a family lawyer at your first meeting with them, getting a sense of what the lawyer is like, what to expect, and what a separation or divorce is going to look like. When you first contact a family lawyer, it can certainly be overwhelming and intimidating. There's no doubt about that. However, you can reduce these problems by knowing the right questions to ask your lawyer. Ask your family lawyer what approach that they recommend you follow to settle your case. Your lawyer should give you specific recommendations on how to resolve the legal issues in your separation, divorce, or family law case. Find out from your lawyer at the first meeting the best way to deal with custody of your kids, with whom your children should live. Ontario family law calls this decision-making responsibility and parenting time now. Get into detail with your lawyer at the first meeting about who is taking care of the kids and who has made the key decisions about your kids and their activities during the marriage or relationship. One key question is to find out about the issue of spousal support in your case. Will you have to pay spousal support to your former spouse? Are you entitled to receive spousal support? This really depends on the length of your marriage or relationship, your annual income, and the annual income of your spouse. Your family lawyer can give you some clear advice on this important issue. You certainly need to ask your lawyer at the first meeting about how you deal with the property issues in your case. Your lawyer will discuss the property formula used in Ontario family law for married spouses. The lawyer will discuss the different property approach that applies to common law spouses if you have lived in a common law relationship with your spouse. You need to find out what will happen to your house. Discuss whether you can keep your home. The lawyer will find out whether you might want to buy out your spouse's interest in the house, or whether you might need to sell the home. Ask your family lawyer about the details of the process. You will feel much more confident about going through the separation and divorce process in Ontario when you understand the different parts of the process. Your lawyer should give you a solid overview of the family law process in Ontario so that you know what to expect and you can move forward confidently with your case. Another question you want to ask is about the costs. Ask the family lawyer how much this is going to cost you. This lawyer will want an initial retainer or money paid up front from you, the client. This is not a total representation of the cost of your family law work. The retainer, in other words, is not a quote of the total cost of your case. The amount of the retainer will depend on what has to be done in your case, the details and complexity of your case, and the approach that your former spouse will take in your situation. When you hire an experienced family lawyer, this should help keep your costs reasonable, since they know what they're doing and they can more quickly and easily settle your family law issues with a fair and reasonable settlement with your former spouse. If you have any questions about your separation, divorce, or family law case, and you'd like our help, feel free to contact me on my Facebook Law Office page, that's O'Malley Family Law, or call me at 905-434-8837, and I'll point you in the right direction. Please make sure to share this important information with your friends, family members, or coworkers.